What's up? It's Joe with OCDetailing, and it happened again. So we really pride ourselves on doing custom installs, and you know, we go all out to wrap and tuck things in when we do film, and we try to get it down as distortion free as possible. And I feel like we're really good at it, because this is now another time that a body shop thought that didn't realize there was film on a car, and they painted it. So this car had an accident on this fender over here, so the fender had to get replaced. So typical for a body shop is when they're painting one panel, it's like a whole panel, they have to paint the one next to it. So the door got painted and this hood got painted, and that's called blending, right? So it gives you, it makes the color match. Well, I guess they didn't know that we had filmed this. So you can see here, this is paint. This is their layer of paint they painted on top of our clear film here, because they had no idea the film was there. Pretty incredible, actually. This has now happened to us multiple times, but we're just that good. This is not black PPF from Steck. This is clear PPF that was painted black because they didn't know it was on here. As you can see Justin pulling over here, they blended out the clear coat over there, but they discolored right here. So I'm imagining when I get past this line, it's gonna all start looking clear again. We can verify. I don't know, still black.
And painting this made it hard, huh?
Yeah, it ruins the film.
It's all black.
Uh-huh.
Dang.
That's crazy. Pulling off black over here. And pulling off clear over here.
And the reason that's happening is because when they paint this panel, they take color and they take it somewhere to the middle of the hood. It's like a blending effect, and then they re-clear coat the whole thing. So that's just got clear paint on it. This has black all the way. We'll find the blend line. I'll show it to you guys. You can see it. See how it's blended? You can't see my hand here? So their blend was about here. And it smells like paint. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OCDetailing. Please subscribe for more videos.